Welcome the our channel. Today we how to add another account on TikTok, multi-account setup step by step clearly. Open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. Tap profile in the bottom right corner to go to your account page. Look at the top area of the screen and find your username or the small arrow next to it. Tap your username or the arrow to open the account switcher panel. If you already have more than one account, you will see them listed in this panel. Tap Add Account to start adding a new TikTok account. Choose Login if you want to add an existing account you already created before. Choose Sign Up if you want to create a brand new TikTok account from scratch. For login, select a login method like phone, email, username, Apple, Google, or Facebook. Enter your login details carefully and double-check for typing mistakes. Complete any verification step TikTok asks for. After login, wait a moment until TikTok loads and brings you back to the profile screen. Tap your username or the arrow again to confirm the new account now appears in the list. Tap the account name you want to use to switch instantly between accounts. Repeat the add account process if you want to add more accounts later. To keep accounts organized, go to Profile and tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Tap Settings and Privacy to access account and security options. Tap Account to review account-related settings for the currently selected profile. If you want stronger security, open Security and enable two-step verification if available. To avoid confusion, edit each profile with a unique photo, name, and bio. Go to Edit Profile and update the display name so you can recognize each account quickly. If you manage a brand, consider switching that account to a business account in Settings. When posting, always confirm which account is active by checking the profile icon and name. If you receive notifications from multiple accounts, review each account's inbox separately. If you want to remove an account from your device, switch to it first from the account list. Then go to Settings and Privacy and scroll to log out for that specific account. Confirm the logout, and then switch back to the account you want to keep using. Test switching once more by tapping your username to ensure everything works smoothly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.